So yes, you can receive FAR token airdrop very easy. You need to confirm some step. Like first you need to create an account on Farcana. After that, creating an account, after verifying an account, the second step is to download Bybit app and create an account on Bybit and make one simple transaction, because one transaction is necessary, and how much transaction you can make, it's not written here, so just to make one transaction. Third, follow them on social media like on CoinMarketCap, on Discord, on X account, and subscribe their YouTube channel. Done all this mission. After that, there's some social activity which you need to do. What type of social activity are there? Like you need to like their announcement post on X, you need to repost the announcement post on X, you need to complete one comment which we will the comment depends. Okay, for now I got this comment, you get some other comment. Okay, then other thing are also Jack, you need to complete one bio also. Okay, you need to write something on bio, and you need to add FAR on your watchlist in CoinMarketCap. After doing all this, you need to play a game. Now the thing is, you can't play a game on mobile. I have tried this. Okay, so I think you need to play it on laptop, and after that just upload a screenshot after playing a game on laptop, and then you need to refer a friend. It's very important, referring a friend. Okay, so you will get a link in my description box. Just visit the link and create an account. After creating an account, just refer 3 friends, and after that you will be eligible to get airdrop from FAR airdrop. So the link is in description box, so please check the link. The link is in description box, and before having an investment in any crypto, do a proper crypto market research. Link is in description box.